So if you're like me and you just purchased the DJI Mic 2 in order to not just use with your cameras, but also pair with your Osmo Pocket 3, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pair your transmitter with your Osmo Pocket 3 and then bring it back to work with the actual DJI receiver if you want to start using it with your cameras again. So first off, if you want to use it with your Osmo Pocket 3, you're going to want to do two things. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure to scroll down on the Osmo Pocket. Let's get it right here, and then hit the settings icon. And then you're going to hit the number one thing on top here, the wireless. You're going to see that nothing is connected. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on one of the transmitters, and then you're going to want to go over to the transmitter itself. So I'm going to pull it out, and off the bat, it's not going to be in any kind of pairing mode. It's because it's going to be paired with the actual DJI receiver that you have in the kit. But I'm going to put that away. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take a look at this record button on the side right here. You're going to want to take this record button and you're going to want to hold it down until it turns blue right here. And so now you see it turn blue. And then the next button you're going to want to hit is hold this linking icon right here. And once it starts doing that, it will pair to your Osmo. Then, right here, here's the Osmo. It's going to link up with the transmitter. And there we go. Now you can see I have audio right here, and it is working with the Osmo Pocket 3, which I'm going to go play around with right now. But now, let's say, okay, you're going to want to link this thing back to your transmitter. You want to be able to use it with your cameras. Well, the good news is it's extremely simple. All you're going to do is you notice it is blue right here. You're going to want to take this record button again, and you're just going to want to tap it and hold. And once it returns back to green, you're paired back with your receiver. Really easy. Super stoked that DJI actually made it this easy. I didn't originally buy the Mic 2 with the Osmo Pocket 3 because I saw the features it had and I knew I'd want to be able to get the full version to use with my camera. Now, if you take a look, yeah, you can buy one transmitter and one receiver instead of the two transmitter kit like I did, but then you don't get the charging case. And for me, the charging case is a really big deal because if you're using it for a full day on set, you need the charging case to make both transmitters last the entire day. So it would have ended up being more expensive to go buy this kit, which is kind of what I thought was going to happen. I knew if I had one extra, I was either going to buy this kit and be stuck with an extra transmitter or end up spending more just to have the transmitter early. If you got knowledge and value out of today's video, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see more content on the DJI Mic 2, the Osmo Pocket 3, there's definitely going to be a lot more coming out. So make sure you hit the subscribe button below to keep up to date with the latest content from the channel. Till next time, my name is Geoff Fagan. Thank you for watching as always, and I will catch you in the next video.